If your Yahoo Mail inbox is packed and you want to clear out a bunch of messages fast, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete emails in Yahoo Mail in just a few simple steps. This is a huge time saver if you have old newsletters, promotions, spam, or messages you no longer need. And instead of deleting everything one by one, you can clean up your mailbox much faster. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and go to your inbox, or you can open any folder where the emails you want to remove are stored. Once you're inside the folder, look at the top of the message list and find the Select All checkbox. This is usually the box at the very top above your emails. Click that checkbox to select the messages currently shown on the page. If you have a lot of emails, Yahoo Mail may only show one page at a time, so selecting all here will choose the visible emails in that folder section. After the emails are selected, look for the delete button at the top of the screen and click it. Yahoo Mail will move those selected messages to the trash folder right away. If you want to remove more emails, you can repeat the same process in other folders or continue selecting and deleting messages as needed. This is especially useful if you're cleaning out older mail, organizing your inbox, or getting rid of bulk messages you don't need anymore. Just remember, if you accidentally delete something important, you may still be able to recover it from the trash for a limited time, so it's always a good idea to double check before confirming large deletions. And that's it. You've now learned how to bulk delete emails in Yahoo Mail quickly and easily. A few clicks is all it takes to make your inbox feel a lot more manageable. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.